What's up, peoples and everybody out there in the world? I went shopping today. Today I got 3 Gary Yamamoto custom baits. This is the black one, really nice. 3/8 of an ounce. The color is called Black Bone. Then I have a white one. That's called White Bone. And then I have a frog color one, and you already know what this color is called. Of course, it's called frog. Okay. Then I have some big old monster zooms, gooseberry. They're 10.5 inches long. Ribbon tail worms. Then I have a pack of Ochos, honey candy, and Ochos and baby bass. Then I have Ochos, 2 packs of Candy Crawl, really nice ones. Yep. Then I have some Keitech swim baits. This one's in 4.3 inches, Pro Blue Red Pearl. Here's the top, here's the bottom. And then I have 4.8 inches. This is Bluegill Flash. Here's the top right here, if you see. Nice. Here's the bottom of them. Really nice. Has like a silver tint to them on the bottom. And then these look similar, but these are Silver Flash Minnow, which is kind of like a green, like a baby bass type deal. Green and gold, and then silver on the bottom. And then I have Pearl Whites. This is Sight Flash, 4.8 inches, in Keitech's Swinging Impact. And they have glitter on the bottom of them. Silver glitter. Then I got some beads, you know what they're for. And I've got some Rage Crawls in 4 inches, 7 in the pack, and green pumpkin, purple, and gold. I have 2 more packs of these here. These are Blue Bugs. Basically black and blue. Can't go wrong with black and blue. And I have more Rage Crawl. This was Rage Crawl chunk. Rage chunk here. This says 4 inches though, but yeah, I guess it would be 4 inches though, but yeah. The body's kind of small and the claws are really big. Put on the bag of jigs. Falcon Lake Crawl, that color's called. And I got 3 packs of these big bite baits. This looks like a shad, rainbow shad or whatever. You can see pink in there and stuff like that. There you go. Oh, I'm just going to call that rainbow shad color. 3 packs of those babies. They look unique. And then I have like these red ones with gold flake in them. 2 packs of those. A pack of Super Flukes. These are 5-inch ones. 10 in the pack in Houdini color. Pretty cool. And I got Strike King Swinging Swim Jig in a bluegill color. And that's all I got for right now. Tight lines.